Good evening and welcome to another video of today. So today we want to continue with what we call the road sign. And remember, I told you that there are four type of road sign. And we talk number one we talk about the horizontal road sign. Number two, we talk about the vertical road sign, and number three, we talk about the zebra road sign. So today video we want to discuss what we call the zebra road sign. So what is zebra road sign? So in this video I'm going to teach you what we call the zebra road sign. So the zebra road sign is one of the road signs that we need to respect and we need to obey at all the time. So today video we shall be talking about the zebra road sign. So when we are talking about the zebra road sign, we are talking about what we call the traffic light. So looking at the traffic light is what we call the zebra road sign. So this is the structure of the traffic light, and the traffic light has three bulbs or three colors or three light. So looking here, this is the structure of the traffic light, and the work of the traffic light is to help to reduce traffic or to reduce traffic jam in the junction or at the intersection. So this is the structure of what we call the traffic light. So the traffic light has three light or three colors light. We have number one, which is the red light. The red light, we have the red light, and the work of the red light is for danger. When you see red talk of danger. You as a driver, when you are driving and you see the red light, you just have to stop, because this light they are for you. You just have to stop. Red stand for danger, and if you are a pedestrian, you see the red light, then you can proceed, because the red light stop all a vehicle. So we have the second light, we call the yellow light, or we call it the amber light. So the yellow light or the amber light, this light we call it wait light, or we call it standby light. Whenever as a driver, whenever you see the amber light, you just have to stop and respect the light. So when you see the yellow light come on the traffic light, you just have to stop. You don't have to proceed. Whenever you see it, you just have to obey. You stop and you wait. And because the yellow light, the traffic light cannot have two light, it must have three, because we have red, yellow and green. So when you see the yellow light, you just have to stop. The yellow light work for, because we know that there are longer vehicle like the truck, or we have the truck, because trucks they have long back, and maybe because if the light just leave from red to green, many accidents will be happen at the intersection or in the junction, because vehicle like truck and trailer they have long back. So the yellow light is just to give gap, so that if any of those vehicles they are in the junction, they can clear the path and go before the green light comes on. So whenever you see the red light, the yellow light, you just have to wait, because maybe there is a trailer or a truck trying to finish to cross. So you just have to give that gap for that gesture, or for those vehicles to finish and cross before the green light will come on. As a driver, when you see this green light, you are able to cross. And if you are a pedestrian, you see the green light, you just have to stop, so that vehicle can continue. And these are the structure of the green light, as we have explained, that when you see the red light, you have to stop. When you see the yellow light, you have to stop. When you see the green light, you are free to go. And it is good to know how to stop at the traffic light. Whenever you are approaching the traffic light, don't go and enter under the pole of the traffic light. You just have to stop your vehicle, be able to see the traffic light, so that when it turns green, before you can go. Don't go and enter under the traffic light. Stand a distance where you can be able to see the light. So be careful and know how to manage the road. So this is the structure of the traffic light. We have 4 colors, we have 3, and there is always an additional 1 color or 1 box which is always at the right side, and this box is just for vehicles who are going out, because vehicles who are going out does not need to wait for the traffic light because you are going out. But traffic light work mainly for vehicles who are entering into intersection or into the junction. So guys, I just want you to keep on watching my videos. I will be teaching you many things concerning traffic light. That is, I will be teaching you everything concerning as far as driving is concerned. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I just want you to share this video. We shall be talking about more on, we have talked about the traffic light. Next, I will be going into stop signs and roads and many other things. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.